Hello everyone, how are you? Today we'll be discussing about the solutions for Skills Boost Arcade Trivia May 2025 Week 1. Alright, to start this quiz, first we'll need to click on the Start Lab button here. Click on I'm not a robot and then that's it. Then we'll move on to the questions which are here. Okay, so for the first question, which no-code development platform offered by Google empowers individuals, even with those without coding experience, to create mobile and web applications? The answer is AppSheet. For the second question, what resources should you provision before developing the app in AppSheet that will be managed by the application? The answer is data. For the third question, in AppSheet, what term is used to refer to the data files associated with your app when working with spreadsheets? It's tables, of course. For the fourth question, which headers are used to extract information from spreadsheets to read column metadata? Of course, it's column headers. For the fifth question, in AppSheet, which tab should you navigate to in order to check your application for any errors or warnings? It will be deployment check. For the sixth question, in AppSheet, which tab should you select to return to the prototype state? The answer is deploy. So that's all there is. Okay, so before ending this lab, you need to wait for at least 5 minutes because it takes a bit of time to load. After 5 minutes, we'll go back to the home page of the trivia game here. And after 5 minutes, you will see that this lab will be completed here. It will be green text. Then we can end this lab. Alright, so we'll wait for 5 minutes and then we'll end this lab. See, you need G3 console, but you need to keep this quiz open for a minimum of 3 minutes. That's all for today. Thank you for joining us and keep an eye for new videos as well. Thank you.